What's good, guys? If you've seen the thumbnail, you already know what we're doing today. We're gonna build a floating desk. But before we get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. All right, let's get to it. Here's a list of the cut lengths and quantities you're gonna need for this build. Feel free to pause this part. We're gonna start with items A and items B. After making sure our corners are square, attach these pieces using glue and nails. The next step is to cut 4 pocket holes for item C and for item D. Refer to the labeling diagram in the bottom right corner. We're going to need a non-marring hammer and 1-inch pocket hole screws. Next step is to center both item C's and then attach them with the pocket hole screws. Then center both item D's and attach those with pocket hole screws as well. And look at that, 1 minute in the video, you're already halfway done. Let's finish this baby up. So for the back panel, we're gonna add 2 pocket holes on every side. We need to make sure we have good strength here because this is gonna hold the weight for our cleat. And let's check this puppy out. Oh yeah, clean baby, but not finished. We're gonna add wood filler to correct any imperfections and sand the entire desk with 120 grit. Wait, did I mention that I need 5 of these guys? Oh, yes, sir. Now it's time to make these look real pretty. I'm gonna start off with pre-stained wood conditioner. Then we're gonna apply our stain. Then finish with a warm satin layer of polyurethane. Make that 2 or 3 layers. So after you apply your pre-stained conditioner, just let it sit. Let it sit for like 20 minutes. And then we're gonna stain it. I like to apply my stain lightly with a microfiber cloth. Then after a few coats of polyurethane, this is what we got, baby. Come on, man, you can't tell me we ain't sitting right.
You made that?
I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.